What is going on, YouTube? Cody here with another radical review, and as you can see in front of me, I have a beard hair straightener brush. This is from a company called Annynice. It's got a high-quality design, professional straightener. It is PTC heating. It's got PTC heating technology, and it's got advanced ionic conditioning. Pretty interesting because can be used for both a beard and an actual hairstyle. So you can see on the picture here, this man looks like he used it on both. We'll go ahead and take a look at it as well. So you can see on the side here, because it's got a couple features. So it shows that it's got side bristles to provide perfect brushing. It uses ion technology to protect and care for the hair. And it has an LCD display, so it's got 3 temperatures that you can choose from. In the back here, it's the same as the front. On the side here, it just says Ionic Hair Straightening Brush. It uses 3 different degrees, and it talks about the power and whatnot, and then on the back. So let me go ahead and open this thing up. Apparently this comes in both American Standard and European Standard. I don't really know what the difference between the two is. Alright. So there's the brush itself. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the little booklet here, pamphlet. Just shows the brush on the front. Before you using the product, please read the user manual carefully and properly keep it for future reference. Talks about the features. It's heating fastly and safely. It's got a ceramic inner layer for the heating plate, negative ions, temperature settings, 360 degrees swivel core with hanging loop. Okay. Operating instructions. To make sure you read and understand the safety precautions. Before using this product, the first hair washed, dried. Ensure that no explosive eruption styling. What? Okay. For use in shin site accessible, you can enclose a towel to prevent possible burning occurred. Plugging into the matching socket when indication lights turn blue, it means it's working properly. Long press power source temperature down button for 3 seconds. The negative ions function works. Blue lights transfer to breathing light mode. Display screen flashes around 150. According to your hair quality, press temperature or power source temperature buttons to adjust the setting temperature when using setting temperature, including such 3 gears as. Gotta love instruction manuals. There's some more instructions for you. Obviously, I would assume this is very similar to just a normal hair straightener. I am a male, so when it comes to hair straightening, it's not something I typically do. But this one's designed specifically for a beard. The company reached out to me, asked me if I could. So I just woke up and do a video for you, talking about the features and such, and then potentially using it. So we'll see. We'll take a look at the cord here. It's just a very basic cord, it looks like. Looks like it's pretty long. Well, decently long. And then the actual brush itself. So you can see the tips on the comb, the brush, whatever you want to call it, the prongs. This is what they were talking about, the 360 design. You can see that it rotates. It has a cord for you to hang it. On the back here, I'm assuming that's the LED indicator light. And then your LCD screen, so your power button. I'm assuming that is the temperature button. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. Got an old outlet right here. We're going to plug it in, see what happens. Alright, so LED light came on. Temperature button came on. Alright, so the highest it goes is to 190. And you can see the breathing thing that I was telling you about, saying that it's heating. Is it heating? So I assume that means it's heating. So it looks like this is your plus, and that's your minus, which is what it shows. And that's all in Celsius. So that equates to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, 170 is 338 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 is 374. So this bad boy should be heating up, which I do feel getting warm on this side. Not necessarily this side. Feels very cold to the touch, cold to the touch. So while that is heating up, we'll go ahead and check it out. I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, you're going to have to bear with me. This is only the second time I've recorded a video in my bathroom. It's going to be kind of awkward, weird, very loud. But I figured it's a lot easier if you want to see what I'm doing in a mirror as opposed to just seeing my hands in front of the camera. So we have the beard straightener here. It is fully heated up to 150 degrees. So you can see that. I'm sorry, yeah, 150 degrees Celsius. So I'm just going to use it on my beard. And see what happens. So you can see how my beard is now. I'm going to do let's go with the right side of my face. So I'm assuming all you're going to do is just casually go through. Probably should have cleaned up the any knots first. See, I don't have a very long beard. I'm assuming it's going to work just as much as a comb. So I'm just casually going down like I would use it as a comb. Beard hair a little bit. But I don't know if you can really see a difference. It makes my hair feel softer. But I would assume you could use this on a longer beard, or they said hair as well. And you could just run it through like you normally would a normal comb, and it would straighten it all out. I'm sure if I would stay in here long enough and show you exactly what I'm doing, you could possibly see a bigger difference or that kind of stuff. Fortunately, I don't have that much time to record this video, so this is what's going to happen. So you can see on the left side of my face, it's still kind of but on the right side of my face, it looks a little bit more professional, a little bit straighter, neater, nicer, and it definitely feels softer. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link to this in the description. I believe it's on sale for $28.77 right now through Annynice on Amazon, so I'll leave a link for that. And if you enjoyed what you saw, hit the subscribe button, bell notification, and leave me a comment if you have questions, comments, or concerns, or anything you want me to look into reviewing. If you're a brand, you want to reach out to me, have me review one of your products, definitely let me know. I'd be more than happy to. You can reach out through my email or leave a comment down below. But above all else, ladies and gentlemen, have a radical day. I'll see you on the next one.